What's up, y'all? JazzJanay here. Welcome to my channel. My channel focuses on natural hair, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in those types of videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit it before this video starts. You know you want to. It's just free. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. Chase just hopped on my bed. So I got this purse as a graduation present back in December. So it's been about 8 months since I've had the purse, and I told y'all in my unboxing video, I will link it right up here if you want to go watch that. I told you guys in my unboxing video that I was going to show you guys what's in my bag once I carry the bag a little bit more. So as you can see, it is full. I carry this bag all the time when I'm not at work. So let's get into the bag. So I have the MM, and it's not the biggest one, it's the next size down from the biggest one. And I really want the bigger one, but you know, my coins not looking right for the bigger one. So, you know, we just gonna be pleased with the medium size one. So let's get inside, just show you guys an overview of what's inside. I love the ballerina pink on the inside. It's just so girly and so neat. So yeah, that's the inside. So I know y'all wondering what's that big old thing in that big old yellow thing in it. So I'm gonna just pull that out first because we're in a pandemic. I can't find any of the, not portable, the travel size Lysol wipes. So I just had to opt out and just get the big old, well, the medium size can or whatever container to carry around with me to like the grocery store and the gas station. Y'all know they don't be wiping down those carts and those gas pumps for real. So I just take me out a little wipe, and I take it with me when I go in the grocery store to wipe down the rails and stuff like that, and when I'm pumping gas. So yeah, that's that. So I got me a new organizer. If y'all seen my what's in my work bag, I will also link that up right there. What's in my work bag, I had a purse organizer from my Longchamp. So I got a different purse organizer for this purse because I know it defeats the purpose, but I just wanted one for work and one for my everyday purses. So this purse organizer, I got it from Target, and I just thought it was so cute, so sleek. I love the color. It matches the inside of my purse, and I really like it. And it also has a little clip right here, and it can clip to the inside of my purse right there. So let's get into what's inside of here. Target has this in 2 colors. They have it in this color and they have it in a black color as well, I believe. So just on the side, I just have all my pens. You know, these 2 are my favorite pens. I think I mentioned that in my what's in my work bag. But yeah, and then on this side, I just have my notepad where I write my budgeting down and my shopping list and video ideas in here. And then on the inside, I'm just going to pull out this pouch. The pouch says I Wake Up for Makeup by Tarte. And on the inside is just a little emergency kit. I have organic pads, I have organic tampons, and just little flushable wipes for that time of the month. And also in here, I just have an extra mask in case I forget it, because this is our new normal now. I got this little mask from a boutique here in Birmingham. So I just like to keep that in there, just to have an extra mask on hand. I keep an extra mask in my car, in my mom's car, and in my purse, just so I will not forget anything, because Birmingham is under a mask order, and I've been wearing masks even when we wasn't under no mask order, because I'm not trying to get corona. So next thing I'm going to pull out is some lotion. This is the Righteous Butter by Soap and Glory, and it's just a little tub of lotion. It smells so good, and it makes my hands so soft because we be ashy sometimes. Also, it's just in here, I got some new glasses recently, So I got like 3 pair of glasses. A video is coming on some soon, probably like right after this one. So these are one of the pair of glasses. They're kind of geeky looking, but I love the geeky look. I've been wearing glasses since like the 1st grade, so yeah, they kind of grew on me. So this is like the first pair, and I think they look so cute and kind of like fashionable almost. I like the really big frames, so I just keep them in this case. And then I have my favorite double mint Wrigley's gum. I keep that on me. And then right here, the thing I love about this little organizer, it has a place where you can put your beverages. It has like a little hole you can put it in. And then these are my favorite juices. It's the Tropical Punch Body Armor Super Drink, and it's a superior hydrator. And this is my favorite flavor, the Tropical Punch. I think it's supposed to be like an energy drink. Yeah, it has electrolytes and vitamins and antioxidants in it. It's supposed to like give you energy and stuff like that, but naturally. So yes, this is my favorite drink. I always keep one with me. I always take one to work with me. Like, I just always have to have one with me. I have like a whole thing of them downstairs. Next I'm going to pull out is a charger, because my phone is always going dead. My MAC Fix Plus that I like to keep on me to refresh my makeup or just refresh my skin when it's hot. And then of course, hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. This is 1,000 Wishes. Some Advil, because your girl get cramps and headaches like crazy. And then in this side pocket, I just have like all kinds of lip gloss. Like, yeah, I love lip gloss. So this one I want to give a special shout out to. It's called Cocoa Butter Kisses by Lemire Beauty. I will be doing a black owned business haul in a few days when some more of my packages come in. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing a video on those, and you'll see what all I got from that company. I got like 3 items from that company. And then in this other pocket, I just have a mini deodorant by Native. I have some concealer. Come here, Chase. Come here. I have some concealer by Laura Mercier. What's wrong? Chase, they don't want to talk to you right now, okay? I'm trying to record a video. Can I record a video? Can I record? Say hi. Okay. Go get in your bed. In your bed. You have to excuse me. I'm a dog mom. So, where were we? And yeah, edge brush and edge control. So that's all that's in here, and then we're gonna go deeper into the bag. So one of the things that I really loved about the Neverfull is that it comes with a little small bag on the inside, and I really think you get your money's worth with this bag because it comes with something else. So this is the little pouchette that it comes with, and it looks just like it, and it has the pink and gold detailing on it. So inside of here, I just keep more hand sanitizer. So this hand sanitizer is by Hemp. I got it from Sally's Beauty, and y'all, this smells so good, and it hydrates your hands, keeps them moisturized, because this hand sanitizer they've been putting out now been smelling like straight booty hole. Been smelling like booty hole. It's been smelling like tequila. I don't know what they've been putting in this hand sanitizer. All these distilleries coming out with their own hand sanitizers, but it's been stanky. But this one right here smells so good. I love the way it smells. Like somebody thought I had on perfume. If y'all see me keep looking up, I'm looking at Chase because I'm trying to make sure he doesn't go under my bed. But yeah, people think I have on perfume when I put this on, so that's how good it smells. So also in here, you can fit a lot in here. I usually carry this as a purse as well when like I go out. Well, when I used to go out before Rona. But yeah, I used to carry this as a purse. So also I have my AirPods, and they're just in this pink case that I got from Amazon. And then in here is another Amazon. It's just a little key pouch. It's not Louis Vuitton, it just has the same print, and y'all really can't tell the difference. But yeah, it doesn't say Louis Vuitton or anything like that, it just has the same print, that's all. So this, I just keep my keys on here, and then this little key ring, but y'all seen that in my what's in my work bag video. I think they sell these key rings on Amazon now. Very convenient. I just put it on my hand like this and walk around my keys. Gym membership, I drive an Acura. House key, and then inside of here I just have my credit card, insurance card, and some cash. I really want to get me a wallet. I may just go on Amazon and get a bigger wallet like this to go in my bag, because who finna pay over $1,000 for a Louis Vuitton wallet? Not me. So yeah. Oh, and in here also I have a little remote to go on my phone if I want to take some pictures. In here is supposed to be some pepper spray, but I have no idea where it went. It must have fell out when I was out one day or something like that. But you know, people are crazy out here. You want to stay safe, you want to stay strapped, you know, with your pepper spray. I need to get a taser because I don't got time. I need the taser that like shoot out though, because I don't want to get up on nobody. But yeah, so pepper spray is supposed to be in here. I have to find it, or just buy me some more. For some reason I have Chase's leash in here. Yeah, I took him over to my sister's house, and I had him on a leash. And this is his leash. I got it from Petco. And then this is his little poop bag dispenser. Bria, my best friend and cousin Bria, got him this from when he had surgery. Just a little get well present, and it has definitely come in handy. Thanks, TT Bria. So the rest of the stuff in here is just, I have a grocery list, I have some notes, I have a Target receipt, and I have a straw. And oh, this is my Beauty Buzz discount card where I go get my eyebrows done at. So I need to keep that so I can get a free eyebrow the last time I go. Over here in this pocket, I don't have anything in that pocket. One thing I do recommend if you get a luxury bag, just try to make sure to keep the inside as clean as possible. That's why I like to have a purse organizer, so nothing will waste in the bag, or pens won't like open up. I try to make sure all my pens are closed and stuff, because you do not want to mess up the inside of that bag, because it's an investment. And if you want to sell it again, you want to make sure it's in great shape. But how much my mama paid for this, I will be keeping this bag for life and probably passing it on to my children. So yeah, that is all that is in my Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Mwah.